When it comes to work and home, safety is such an important factor for me. We think of our homes as safe places, but that's not always the case. Sometimes there are hidden dangers we can't see, posing a risk for children and others living there. EASYGR1P provides a simple, effective way of mitigating different risk situations. So that we're free to enjoy the comfort of our homes.